Body parts of jellyfish: eyes, bell-shaped body, tentacles, and oral arms. Body parts of stingray: pectoral fins, eyes, snout, gill slit, stinging spine, and tail. Body parts of birds: eyes, beak, neck, body, claws, head, nap, wings, feathers, tail, and tarsus. Body parts of crocodile: eyes, big snout, nostril, tooth, belly, head, body, scaly skin, tail, and legs. Body parts of hippo: ear, closable nostril, mouth, teeth, foot, head, eyes, tail, skin, and legs. Body parts of seahorse: eyes, snout, keel, anal fin, tail, cornet, pectoral fin, trunk rings, and dorsal fin. Body parts of kangaroo: ears, nose, legs, eyes, back, tail, pouch, and foot. Body parts of buffer: eyes, mouth, spines, dorsal fin, caudal fin, and anal fins. Body parts of sharks: nostril, eyes, spiracles, fin spine, second dorsal fin, caudal fin, anal fin, gill slit, pectoral fin, and mouth. Body parts of porcupine: nose, blunt snout, eyes, ears, stiff guard hairs, body, legs, and mouth. Parts of bird: eyes, beak, body, leg, tail, wing, feather, and head. Body parts of penguin: head, eye, bill, flipper, body, and webbed foot. Body parts of clownfish: black eye, mouth, ventral fin, anal fin, dorsal fin edged in black, orange pectoral fin edged in black, and orange caudal fin edged in black. Body parts of yak: head, ear, eyes, nose, horn, body, fur, and hoof. Body parts of bat: ears, eyes, forearm, second finger, foot, leg, thumb, and wing membrane.